The 2010 GMC Sierra 1500. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle invigorates its segment with sporty proportions, generous equipment, and exceptional safety. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and a split-folding rear seat. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.